In this video, I will tell you how to show COD based on state. So I have already made this rule. You can check for this particular state, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Cash on delivery is available. If I select any other state, then COD will not be available. So in this video, I will tell you how to set this up. So for this, I have used advanced cash on delivery app. You can also install the same app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then go to Advanced Cash on Delivery button. Then after that, click on Limit COD based on location configure button. Then you need to select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery, you need to toggle on this button and add your delivery method. So we don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I'm toggling off this button. And then you need to click on the state button and change the status to enabled. And from state drop down menu, you have to select allow COD for the state. And you need to enter the state code, that is JK, Jammu and Kashmir. You can also see the state code from this link. Then save your changes. Now we will test this on our online store. Go to the catalog option and just add products to the cart and add your full address and then check if COD is available. Change the country to India and select address of Jammu and Kashmir. So here you can see cash on delivery is available for this particular state. If I select any other state, then COD will not be available. Let's test for any another state. See here you can see only prepaid options are available, COD is not available. So that's it, you have successfully set up how to show COD based on state. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.